ICE just executed another person here in Minneapolis, and you'll see tons of reporting about this. I'm already seeing videos pop up on my FYP about this, so I don't want to rehash all of the details that everyone else is going to already be talking about. But there's one particular I want to address. DHS has already released a statement saying that this man was wielding a pew-pew, and that when ICE agents attempted to disarm him, he resisted, and that's why he was unalived. That contradicts the eyewitness video and testimony about what happened. Look.
Things got buried. Yeah, unroll your windows. No, you're just spraying inside. Let's go.
That man is clearly holding a phone, and just a phone. You can see it in the video. I want you to see his other hand too, so you're sure. What everyone needs to understand is that Trump is just a figurehead. He is a useful idiot. He creates a spectacle that makes it difficult to see the infrastructure behind him. And I know many of us have never seen a spectacle of this height, but it's important to remember that he is a distraction. He is not the architect of Project 2025, nor of the terror that ICE is unleashing on communities around the country. This will not stop merely by removing him. The corporate authoritarianism that he represents extends beyond the executive branch. It has captured the Supreme Court, and it has made Congress inoperable. They are no longer implementing the will of the public. In circumstances like these, you will not get meaningful relief from the courts or the legislature. Midterms and voting will not mitigate the kind of strife we are navigating. These problems are at the root. White supremacist, patriarchal capitalism that creates a police state and is destroying the planet is at the root of the values calcified by years of court decisions and federal law and our culture and our science and our economy and our religion. All of those things have funneled and culminated in this moment. The opposition will accept nothing less than a white supremacist, patriarchal, capitalist police state that is destroying the planet. They are willing to put their lives and their resources on the line to see it happen. Period. Full stop. In order to defeat that, you have to be as committed to a socialist, multiracial, equitable society that centers human dignity and the longevity of our habitats. Excuse me, y'all. You need to be in your community building parallel systems now. You need to be building mutual aid, donating food, trying to do pop-up clinics and pop-up universities, political education, all of the things that allow us to divest our reliance from this system. That's how we rob it of its power. That's how we have the leverage to demand the things that we want, not by continuing to legitimize the media that is parroting DHS talking points and Congress that's only giving us strongly worded letters against fascism, which should let you know they're not actually against fascism. If all they got to an existential threat is a finger wagging, these people are in on the grift. They're talking about reforming. You know how long they've been talking about reforming? Since Dr. King, they've been talking about reforming the law enforcement agencies. And this is how reformed they are. You cannot compromise with tyranny, supremacy, and exploitation. That's why Reconstruction failed. That's why Hitler had to be defeated, not negotiated with. We might not get another chance to get this right.